Hello everyone, welcome back. Today I bring to you 2Healthy Smoothie, easy to prepare, yummy and refreshing. So let's get started. We'll be needing banana. Banana is the base of most of my smoothies. So 2 ripe bananas and your diced mango. The mango is frozen, so I already have it before. I already cut and diced and put in the fridge. So look at it. So you add milk. You can add more or less depending on how thick you want it. So you blend just a few minutes, that's all. Then you serve chilled. Remember the mango is coming from the freezer, so it's quite chilled already. Then we have strawberry smoothies. We need strawberries, bananas, peanut butter, and milk. So you cut your ripe bananas add into your blender 2 bananas and your strawberries. This is also coming from the freezer, it's frozen. So you wash and dice into cubes. This will enable you to work well in your blender. You won't put a whole strawberry. It won't blend easily. So this will ease it for your blender. So you dice them and add to the bananas. Then you add peanut butter. This is actually optional. Strawberry itself is not a very sweet fruit. It's somehow sour. So we add some peanut. Peanut is good and my family love it. So we add this and blend. It's enough milk. It's ready. Then serve. Remember the strawberry is coming from the freezer and it's chilled as well. Enjoy yourself. This is quite healthy, refreshing. Have a nice day.